Peace, love, and light. I am Picasso Cognizance. This is Resolute Fathers. Make sure you like, subscribe, and tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. Who's the Daddy? It is on Amazon. If you haven't got your copy yet, make sure you get your copy of Who's the Daddy. Now, according to Nolo.com, it says, what is considered child support and bankruptcy? Child support is part of a class of debts called domestic child support obligations, which includes alimony and property divisions meant as support. Child support can go beyond the familiar monthly payment to include items like paying for the child's travel expenses, summer camps, tuitions, medical insurance, and other medical expenses, most of which will be detailed in orders entered in your divorce. The bankruptcy is not intended to disrupt those orders or those payments. In fact, you are required to keep up your monthly child support obligations regardless of the form they take. When developing your Chapter 13 budget, consider the extra obligations listed above in addition to your monthly cash payments so that you'll have enough money to cover them. Chapter 13 discharge does not wipe out child support debt. Because the American public considers child support a very serious obligation, Congress has decided that child support debt is too important to discharge in bankruptcy. As a result, in Chapter 13 bankruptcy, your child support obligation is treated as priority debt and can't be eliminated by your discharge. In fact, you must pay off any outstanding child support arrears in full through your Chapter 13 repayment plan. Paying off past due child support might leave some unsecured creditors, such as credit card companies, with less money. But that should be of no concern to the debtor because any remainder gets discharged. Chapter 13 bankruptcy allows you to catch up on missed child support payments. As discussed above, any pre-bankruptcy child support arrears must be included and paid off in your Chapter 13 plan. One of the main benefits of Chapter 13 bankruptcy is that it allows you to organize your debts and pay back some of all of them through a convenient repayment plan that can last as long as 3 to 5 years. Because of the importance we attach to child support, you must provide your repayment of all your past due child support over the life of the plan. Now, the reason, like I keep telling y'all, the reason why this is so big because the feds, they need their 66% and the state need their 34%. You know what I'm saying? Child support is a federal funding program, and you also got to be mindful. In 2021, the child support program collected $32.7 billion, family. So this is why, they're not playing no game. You know what I'm saying? Even if you file a Chapter 13, that would not discharge, the debt that you owe them. You feel me? This is serious. This is real serious, family. Okay, it said you must be current on child support payments to receive a discharge. Before you can receive a Chapter 13 discharge, you must certify that you are current on all of your domestic support obligations, including child support. As a result, if you miss any child support payments during your case, you have to pay them off before you get your discharge. Okay, so this is serious. Now, according to Chapter 3 separations of powers, this is in the Who's the Daddy book. It talks about the 3 branches of government. We got the legislative branch, the executive branch, and the judicial branch. Child support is under the executive branch of government, family. Child support is not under the judicial branch of government. Child support is unconstitutional. Now, Office of Child Support Enforcement, the federal agency responsible for the administration of child support enforcement program created by Title 4D of Social Security Act in 1975, OCSE, is responsible for developing child support policies, oversight, evaluation, and audits of state and tribal child support programs, and providing technical assistance and training to those programs. OCSE operates the Federal Parent Locator Service, which includes the National Directory of New Hires and the Federal Case Registry. OCSE is a part of the Administration for Children and Families, within the Department of Health and Human Services. According to the glossary of common child support terms, the federal corporation contracted under DHS, which is the executive branch of government. There is no such thing as child support court. Okay? So this is what you got to be mindful of. You know what I'm saying? You can't even file a Chapter 13, family. You know, if you got child support and you owe that, it's an obligation. You know, you have to do. Just if you're the non-custodial parent. That's why I always say, don't get the system involved, okay? You don't need them involved now. If you can't come to a mutual agreement, that's when you get, the courts and everything involved. But I believe that, this channel right here, we are co-parents and we know how to take care of our own responsibility. It's that simple. You feel me? So make sure you like, subscribe, and tell a friend about Resolute Fathers. Make sure you get your copy of Who's the Daddy. It is on Amazon. Peace, love, and light.